earlier in the program, we heard from Common Ground volunteer Paula Peterson about what happens to corn that is grown here in the state, and that interview will be on our Facebook page a little bit later. And now Paula is back with a recipe to share, and Taryn is standing by with more.
Of course, we always love Wednesdays on the show because that's when Common Ground volunteers come in. They share awesome recipes for us. This is the time of year, Paula, when people really like to bake too.
It is, and this is kind of a fun little quick recipe that actually is holding up pretty good in the refrigerator, so you can, and you could go to somebody. This one I actually split in half.
Wow.
I made two, I split this recipe in half for today. So you could actually make one for yourself and take one to your neighbor.
Like put it in a 9 by 13 pan? Or
yeah,
like
when I made it originally, that's what I did, but yeah.
Okay. All
So we're going to start with the first layer is crushed pecans, vanilla wafers, and butter. You just mix it together and let it sit in the fridge for a couple hours. And then the next layer will be Cool Whip, cream cheese, and powdered sugar. I'll let you go ahead and mix that.
Okay.
I'm going to start with the pudding mix. It takes cheesecake pudding, and that'll be the next layer.
Okay.
And it's easier if we can kind of go at the same time.
Yeah.
And yeah, get that kind of mixed up. Every layer has Cool Whip in it. There is no way Tom can give me any grief about not having Cool Whip.
He loves Cool Whip?
Oh, he loves Cool Whip. He's one of those, you've seen that Facebook meme that has the pumpkin pie buried in,
Yes.
that'd be Tom. Okay, that's
good enough?
Yep,
Okay.
just go ahead and pour that over this group. Yep, just kind of, and then we'll spread it out.
Okay.
And you could, if you didn't want to take the time to make it all in layers, just mix it all together, pour it all in the same one, and set it in the fridge. Oh, I got a spoon here
Do
too,
you?
sweetie.
Thank you. So I got to get that good stuff off of there. I did wash my hands before I came in here. All right.
Okay, I'll let you have that.
Okay.
I'll spread that so you can clean your finger.
Thank you.
And then we'll dump the next layer on.
Okay.
And then this just sits in the refrigerator overnight. It's good enough. The pudding layer will go on next.
Okay.
And this is why I say you could go ahead and do it all in one pile. And then you make a layer of Cool Whip. See, there you cannot.
It's just a lot of layering.
A lot of layering.
Okay, and a lot of Cool Whip, Tom.
And a lot of Cool Whip. And I did this wrong, but I was supposed to do the cherries first instead of the Cool Whip. But that's okay. It'll just be prettier, right?
The red will be on top.
Yeah, the red will be on top. And then you just do it, spread it over. You put your cherries.
And just keep spreading.
And yeah, just kind of gloppity glop. And then pecans on top. So.
And then this is what you have.
That's what you get.
This is really good, Paula.
I can't say it's healthy.
You could use light Cool Whip, I guess.
I did use light Cool Whip, but I'm still going to guess that it doesn't qualify.
Well, this time of year.
But this time of year, you get to be naughty.
You get to indulge, and then January we go on the diets, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, I will post this recipe on our Facebook pages after the show, and then you guys can copy it down. All right. Thank you, Paula.
Thanks,
All right,
Taryn.
back to you, Jen.